Is your Samsung TV remote acting up, leaving you frustrated and stuck on the wrong channel? Before you rush out to buy a new one, the fix might be simpler than you think. First, let's tackle the most common culprit, the batteries. Open the battery compartment and remove the old batteries. Make sure you're using brand new, high-quality batteries. Double-check that you've inserted them correctly, paying close attention to the positive and negative terminals. Sometimes a loose connection can be forgiven, so a firm push ensures a good contact. Next, we'll give your remote a clean bill of health. Over time, dirt and grime can build up, interfering with the electronic contacts. Take a dry, lint-free cloth and wipe down the entire remote for the battery contacts. Dip a cotton swab lightly into isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it's just damp, not dripping. Gently clean the metal contact points inside the battery compartment. Also, don't forget to clean the infrared emitter at the very end of the remote. This is what sends the signal to your TV. If new batteries and a clean didn't do the trick, it's time for a refresh of the connection between your remote and TV. Stand about 12 inches away from your TV, directly facing the infrared sensor. Point the remote squarely at the sensor and press and hold a button, like the power button, for about 10 to 15 seconds. This can sometimes re-establish the pairing. For many Samsung remotes, a specific pairing reset will do the trick. Locate the return button and the play, pause button. Press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously for at least 10 to 20 seconds. You might see a small light flash on the remote, indicating it's resetting its connection. If you see that light flash and then the remote starts working when you point it at the TV, congratulations! You've successfully revived your Samsung TV remote. This simple troubleshooting can save you the cost and hassle of buying a brand new remote, getting you back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time.